Habang tumatanda si Brother Brooks, sigurado yan, sinisiksik na niya.
Just let her be.
Piniprepare niya yan. Pinababasa niya.
Sabi niya nga sa akin. You always remember.
Come on, Kathleen. Wear it. Wear it. Shoes. Come on. Come on, Kathleen.
Wear it. Pwede mo na, pwede niya isa.
Please.
At least, ano ba nga mga anak niya? Parang puro naman. Halipang kay Marie.
Hi.
Kay Bobby, nagdala rin naman ang
Baby.
Baby.
Pero talagang may pagka... Kahit hindi ko pa nakakausap, parang
Baby.
plato.
Baby.
Yung personalidad niya. Plato ng
Ouch.
hindi mo babae.
Kaya sabi niya sa akin, kung ibabalik ng Panginoon yung buhay our life, sana naging anak ko o bigyan ko na
Uh-oh.
RJ. Minsan umiyak ko sa niya ay igmar. Sabi niya RJ so much.
Come on. Let's go to my room. Come on.
Come on.
You don't want to go to my room? Dog? Let's see the dog. Go wear the shoes. Get the shoes. Get the shoes and then let's see the dog.
This boy be other kids, you know.
Oh man, that was a good video. Ah.
You sleepy?
Are you sleepy?
Dog. One dog. Dog.
Hello. I have a good video of her, but there's no memory.
Ride on it. Ride on it. Ride on it. I want to ride on it. Sit it, Kathleen. Just ride on it. No. You scared?
Oh, matutulog na ako.